What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, my first video for 2025. I'm so excited to be trying out some new Flush Balms from Merit. We have the Flush Balm collection, so we are going to be going through the whole original Impossible to Mess Up cream blush. It has 4 new shades, and I'm going to be swatching those for you guys today. If you are not familiar with the Flush Balms from Merit Beauty, this is the first product you should try from their line. These cream blushes, these light blendable cream blushes that give you a lit from within glow to the skin are, like I said, impossible to mess up. They are blendable, they have a satin-like finish and a multi-use. You can use these on the cheeks, the lips, and the eyes. I do a monochromatic look with them sometimes, and they are my favorite product from Merit. They are safe for sensitive and acne-prone skin and look incredible on every skin tone. Merit creates products for your skin that actually leave your skin feeling better after wearing them. They are just beautiful and hydrating. And a bonbon to try out. So we are gonna go through their pinks, their neutrals, and their pops, the bright pops of color. And yes, I'm so excited to swatch these for you guys. As always, your first purchase from Merit Beauty, you will receive their signature bag to store your makeup in. It's so cute, easy to use, and just so chic to have this little bag to store your Merit products in. Thank you again so much to Merit Beauty for having me a part of the Merit Muse program and allowing me to show you guys their beautiful products. We're gonna start off with the pops. So these are the brighter tones and 2 of the new tones, Le Bonbon and Louisitano. So Louisitano is a soft peach and Le Bonbon is a more on the bright pink colors. So these products are standalone products, or you can layer them. They just blend so nicely with or without makeup. So I have nothing on. I put on a little bit of my Perfecting complexion stick from Merit Beauty just in my inner corners and my brows, but nothing else is on my skin because I want to show you how beautiful these products are. So let's go in with the Bonbon first, and I'm just going to put them on the apples of my cheeks. And you can just see how beautifully they blend out. Like, you use your hand, it's so easy. This gives you such a gorgeous flush of pink, something a little bit more fun and bright. Definitely looks like I was out in the cold weather. It is freezing today and it looks like I was out there, but that is a really, really pretty bright pink, and how easy to blend. So on the other side, I'm gonna go in with Lusitano. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And this is the soft peach. And you can see that yeah, definitely has a softer look to it, so we can kind of build it up a little bit more. But how stunning does it make the cheekbone look? Just kind of highlights that cheek and gives you a nice, beautiful finish. So those are 2 of the new shades from the Flush Balm series collection from Merit. Now we're gonna go in with the other 2 shades from the pops, which is Stockholm and Rouge. Rouge is a sheer red, Stockholm is a baby pink. I do have Stockholm from the gift set, the trio blush set from Merit Beauty, so I'm going to swatch this one. I'm going to gift this one to someone. I love this Stockholm color. I use it constantly. I like to use it on my lips as well, so I'm just going to pop that on the cheeks. Like I said, it's a nice baby pink. It pairs really, really beautifully with the bronzers from Merit Beauty, and I really, really love this one. It has a lot of similar tones to my skin tone, so it just really looks really vibrant on my complexion. Now let's go in with Rouge. Again, is a sheer red. I'm excited to try this. Look at that. Okay, let's up on the apples of the cheeks. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am loving this one. That looks really, really pretty. These are just so, these are the best. They are the best cream blushes you can get. That just lifted my cheek right up. So pretty. This one I do more of a linear on the cheekbone. This one I'm trying to do more on the apples of the cheek and a little bit higher just to get that lift, and definitely does that. All right, now let's get into the neutrals. So these are two of the new shades for Flesh Balm, and that is Bespoke and Postmodern. So Bespoke is a medium pink brown and Postmodern is a deep pink brown. So on this side, I will do Bespoke. And that is how it looks in the pan. And these almost could be like a cream bronzer as well. Like you wouldn't need a blush and a bronzer. They would dual as both. And almost like a contour, just with that little bit of coolness from the pink and the warmth from the brown. That's very, very pretty. So on this side, I will go up more on the apple on my cheek. With Postmodern, yeah, and you can see that this one's a little bit deeper. But again, looks very, very lovely, very healthy and flushed on the skin, very glowing. Just looks really, really pretty. So we have Bespoke and Postmodern. All right, now we're going to try out the other two shades from the neutrals. They have also archived, not archived, but taken from the archives, brought back from the archives, Terracotta, which is a warm cream. So if you would like to shop that one, then just go to my link below. You can only shop Terracotta online at Merit Beauty. All right, on this side, we're gonna go in with Fox, which is a warm taupe. I am excited to try this out. Anything warm taupe, bronzy, I love. So let's just go in and put it on the cheeks like that. That has a beautiful softness to it. This would look beautiful as a monochromatic look on the eyes and lips as well. That's really stunning, really soft and stunning, but also just gives you a nice dewy bronze sort of look to the skin. That's very, very soft and pretty. I like that, really like that. Now we're gonna go in with Persimmon, and this is a soft orange red, so this will be brighter on the skin. Oh, that's pretty. This would be really pretty in the summer months with a tan. This reminds me of just like the month of August. That is pretty. These all look so gorgeous over top of your natural skin. No makeup on, like this is all you would need to kind of just feel a little bit put together in the morning if you're rushing or just want that no makeup look. Both of these I am really, really liking. I adore the way that looks on the skin. So effortless. We're gonna get into the pinks now. So the new shade for the Bonbons collection in the new shades for the Flesh Balm is Archival, and we are gonna get that on the cheeks first. So this is a cool mauve, and yeah, so we're gonna get that up on the cheek first. Again, there is not a single thing that I would change about these blush balms. They are perfection. Like every shade is gorgeous in its own way. Just makes you look a little bit different. It just depends on the look you're going for that day, but everything that I have tried out, I have loved. Love the way it looks on my skin, on my complexion. Again, these are beautiful on any skin complexion and any skin shade. Beverly Hills is one of my favorite shades. I've had this for a while now. This is a soft peachy pink, so I'm going to use mine so that I can gift my other one. I use this almost every day. I love it. And it is just the perfect peachy pink. Again, just putting that up on the apples of the cheek to create that fullness. This side is more linear, so it's just gonna kind of chisel out the cheekbone a bit, but like this is just perfection. This is the perfect shade. I love it. All right, let's get into our last couple swatches, the last of the pink tones, and I have Cheeky, which is a cool pink, and then I have Après, which is a soft berry tone. I go in with Cheeky on this side. And I am putting a little bit more on than I might normally, just because I want you guys to get the full effect. And that is, again, just beautiful. It's really nice and almost like a muted pink because it's cooler, but it's there. It looks really natural on the skin and just adds such a nice tone and like life lit from within look to the skin. Very beautiful. Very soft, very youthful. All right, now let's go in with Après. I'm gonna do this up on the cheekbone. This just looks delicious. Stunning, just stunning. If there is a product you have to try from Merit Beauty, it is one of their Flush Balms, and I gave you 12 different shades to look at on, see how they look on the skin, and they have a few more online. They have Terracotta, which you can buy online. And then I think in their packs, they have a shade called Mood, which is really pretty. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here today and testing out the new shades from the Flush Balm. If you want to shop these in a mini collection, and then you can get each one of these, that is there on the Merit Beauty website. So just click my link in the description box and you'll be able to shop these for yourself. If you want to try out any of the other shades, just click that same link. They have a wonderful guide on there to kind of help you with matching up shades with your skin tone, so you can just kind of find which shade is suited for you. So again, thank you so much to Merit Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.